Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been designing this box shadow generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now we have completed designing this box shadow generator and we also have added all the functionality. So if I make some changes over here, we can see that the box shadow is updated over here. And if I click on generate code, we have the CSS code displayed over here, and then we can just copy and paste this code and add it to our CSS code. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add this box shadow generator to your Blogger website. So let's get started. Right here, I'm in the dashboard of my Blogger website. Now you can add this box shadow generator inside a post or a page. Let's add it inside a post. So let's click on new post. And for the title, I'll just type box shadow generator. And then you have to make sure that you are in the HTML view. So by default, it'll be in the compose view. So you have to select this option and select HTML view. Now here you can add the HTML, the CSS and the JavaScript. So let's go to our source code. Now I will leave the link of the source code in the description, so you can just go ahead and copy and paste the code. So the first thing we will do is we'll copy the link of this font and also the highlight.js styles. So let's copy all these lines of code from here and let's paste it over here. Right now let's go back and let's copy all the HTML. So let's copy it from here and we'll go all the way till the end. So we'll copy it till here and let's paste it over here inside our post. Now you can delete this h1 from here because we already have this title for the post. So I'll just delete this. If you want, you can keep it. And now the next thing we will do is we'll copy all the JavaScript. So let's scroll down and I'll just create a script tag. And in this script tag, we will add the JavaScript. So let's go back to our source code and let's go to the main.js file and let's copy everything from here. And I think at the end of this line of code, we also need to have a semicolon. So I'll just add that over here. Alright, now let's select everything from here and let's copy it and paste it inside the script tag. And now the last thing we need to do is add the CSS. So let's create a style tag over here. And let's go back to our source code and let's go to the style.css file. And let's copy everything from here. And let's go back and paste it over here inside the style tag. Right now let's publish this and let's see whether it looks alright. And here we can see we have this post published. So let's click on view. And now here we can see we have this box shadow generator and let's see whether everything works alright. So let's change the values of this slider. And we can see that everything is working alright. And let's change the color. Let's also check the inset. So everything is working alright. Let's click on generate code and we have the code generated. So everything is working alright. So that's basically how you add a box shadow generator to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video and I will leave the link of the source code in the description. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.